93.
I'll open both of them.
Thank you.
And I was fucking
Ooh, Loomis
pissed
beer.
because
What's I rather
that
have
thing
this?
hit
No, I don't
the
know.
$5,000
Loomis
mark.
beer. I don't want no Loomis.
I know.
You can have Loomis beer. You
I
work
was
in
here,
Loomis.
like,
So
so
Loomis.
bad.
I live in
Like,
Rockland,
you
bro.
Rockland. You got rock on your hands, not quite
I
rock.
told you. I got rock and roll.
Just like saying like,
Are you ready for me or what?
Yep.
All
All right.
So many different cars.
Tell me when to go.
Like, God,
Ready, set,
I'm happy
go.
just with one.
Have you ever ate a fat Asian out before and just felt like Never mind.
All right, can we take two?
Okay, ready, set,
Cut!
I'm just like,
I know.
ready,
either a lot of money or a
set,
lot of
go.
debt.
Hey folks, Kyle here from Motion Pro talking about our new spark plug gap tool and bottle opener in one. As you can see right here on the label, it says wrench responsibly. We hope you do. All you got to do with this is stick it right on the bottle, lift up, and you've opened up your bottle cap, toss that away, and enjoy your beer.
Can you open mine?
Kyle out.
Man, this Loomis beer tastes like old skunk. Give me that one, man.
No!
Here, let's take a shot of that. This
No.
is like-
The old skunk balls.
I know. What kind of beer is that? I mean, what?
Recipe beer.
Esa es la más brava.
You
esa es la
come
que
from
más
this town,
alcoholiza.
don't you?
I don't drink their beer.
You sure?
I drink that Auburn beer.
I don't want that either.
No.
Como cerveza.
Hey, yeah.
Woo!
Bring her down. Bring her down.
Yeah, bring her down to Skunk Town. That's what Loomis beer should is. Hey, bring her down to Skunk Town.
Está una de
Or your ass tastes a little bit better.